Just get back to your normal everyday work, shipping our normal everyday shipments by putting everything on the ships.
20 years?
Leave the Falcon alone.
No way! No, this thing is huge. A Corellian freighter, but modified like crazy, all beat up like a hunk of junk.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Good luck, the Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I'm going to the perfect ship. Come along, my friends. Listen carefully every letter. The better you work together, the more you earn.
And our location for today.
This way, my friend. Come closer. You're back. You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture
this is the new
bounties,
mission.
And engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on. And know that I have complete faith in you. Boasted.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, put the flashing button to activate your tractor.
Job, Gunner!
Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Now practice. You're ready. There's our bounties.
This is so cool.
Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Good plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Get the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right engineer, launch the homing beacons. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. Grogu, buckle up.
There you go.
There's our bounty. Switching to ion cannon.
It's okay. Oh, nice.
I can't see with the lights are away!
They're working on Hondo. After them. We'll rendezvous on the other side.
Nice.
ship.
Oh, that's so cool.
With the ship while I grab this Imperial officer.
Oh my god!
Backup is here. Public excellence. Here. Clear path. Copy that, Luke. Look out. Enter boosters. Right button. Please adjust to light speed. Solo ship? Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi.
You brought me back crates. Excellent work. Unloading now. Oh, these will fetch many credits for me, and some for you too, of course.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.